Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. First line, run, I can run faster than him. Second line, play, he loves to play basketball. Third line, lazy, you are very lazy. Fourth line, take, I will not take it from you. Fifth line, come, you will not come with me. Sixth line, engineer, you are not engineer. Seventh line, learn, I'll learn English by myself. Eighth line, watch, I lost my watch yesterday. Ninth line, like, he likes to paint by himself. 10th line, kind, you are very kind. Thanks for watching.